Guys, hello and welcome to the Liberian TV network. Today is December 23rd, 2024, and we are right here in central Monrovia. So, again, we want to say welcome to the new week. Certainly today, the 23rd, 2024, we have just a day between two Christmas, and definitely we want to say Merry Christmas to each and every one of you and a prosperous, happy New Year. We are hoping that all of us can come back to see a wonderful and beautiful 2025 with all of the energies, with all of the zest, and many more things. If you are following us from any part of the world, I'm Princess Katie Copper coming to you live. I want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. From any part of the world you are following us. During during last week and also during the weekend, there were there were a lot of things that actually transpired. There were a lot of things that occurred. Last week, I think you all could actually recall. We have been up and down. There have been series of protests, a lot of things happening in the country, and we've been bringing you all of the major happenings. This is what we have passion for, and this is what we sign up to do. Therefore, we will definitely inform you with regards to all of the happenings in the country. So just to provide you a summary of what happened last week. Last week, we did experience the burning of the Capitol building, especially the drain chamber angle. According to lawmakers, from the Senate angle, it says that they need 1.8 million to actually renovate that place. So as we speak currently, the majority bloc that is being headed by Speaker Richard Kun. Currently, they are having a session at the Monrovia City Hall. So all of the major things have been taken to the City Hall, and there where they are having a session. And it was at that place this gone Friday, the House of Elders, which is the senators, actually concurred with the representative to actually pass the 2025 national budget. So finally, the 2025 national budget have been passed, and many have been giving their assertion that it is a 4G passage. People have been questioning the integrity and of Honorable A.B. Darrell Zelon, Amara Corner, and many and seasoned lawmakers at the House of Elders saying that they are not in the interest of the Liberian people. They are just there to fulfill their own personal gain and so on. A crisis wherein the House of Parliament actually got burned. President Bropleh also came up with a session that it is not at this point in time the art of actually accepting hooliganism actually won't be accept. They won't actually accept such in Liberia. So anyone who is found guilty or who is linked to the burning of the Parliament, definitely he or she will be dealt with according to the law. And so these were just major things. We have the concerned citizens of Liberia coming up protesting, saying that there are some things ongoing at the House of Parliament which is not good, and so many things were said. In regards to that, few lawmakers were invited. Marvin Cole from Bon County, the Imbado speaker also invited. You also have Honorable Frank Safoko, who was one of the key figures that each and everyone was actually looking at, was also invited. And during that invitation, his own investigation was the longest ever investigation that was here among all of those who were invited. They started with his investigation from 10 o'clock all the way to 4 some minutes to 5. And then he came out, praising the law, saying that, oh yes, at least he is no longer being held guilty because there was a statement used that, he was going to actually burn down the Capitol building. So the police actually investigated him with regards to that statement. But then many were saying that the police they actually do their due diligence, that actually they didn't investigate as to what was actually happening. But the police actually acted based on their own presumption or based on their own prejudice, because we were told that the statement was used in July section of this year 2024. So Article 42 of the Liberian Constitution gives right to lawmakers to say anything unless I think that is against the state. So these are just major happenings, and these are just recap of what happened. So let's go to today's issues. Okay, a member of the majority bloc have confirmed that over $2 million Liberian dollars originally designated as December salaries for 7 suspended lawmakers have been deposited into the government's consolidated account. Representative James Cllr confirmed that, and this one say at least 6 people are believed to have lost their life in the devastating accident. So there was a really chaotic accident that took place between the Gbanga to Monrovia highway, and many actually lost their life. And one of the cars, there was another accident again where in the car burned to ashes. Nobody survived, and people were actually unable to recognize people. So we just want to say condolence. And yesterday, while we were sitting, Sunday normally we use this time to actually rest. We use this time to do some other things. So while we were sitting, there's a guy named by the name of Bill. Allegedly, according to information, he stabbed his ex-girlfriend because he said that he wanted a girl, and then the guy said, that means he wanted to reconnect with the girl, but then the guy said, no, I have moved on and you can move on. And according to information, we've been told that this individual in question, he has his wife with 2 children. So everybody like been wondering, why should you have your wife and 2 children legally married and then trying to go back to your ex-wife? So the girl name is Princess Zor. She was stabbed to death. Immediately people rushed and other things, and she was gone. So we want to say sorry to the bereaved family. Princess, whatsoever you are, may your soul rest in peace. Plus, these are some troubling, information, things that are actually been reaching us in the country. So guys, again, we want to say good morning, good afternoon if you are following us from any part of the world. I'm Princess KD Cooper. Again, we will be going for the Christmas break anytime soon, and wheresoever we are, we will definitely bring you the live podcast. And this one says 2025 national budgets have been passed. So like I initially stated, and this one says Supreme Court of Liberia has suspended Cllr Lawrence Bropleh from practicing law for 2 months due to negligence that negatively impacted his kind equipment through aid manager Wayne Fatiroli. As part of the Supreme Court, Cllr Bropleh is required to complete the training in civil procedure law at the Judiciary Institute and submit a proof of completion. So this was one of those things. This was one of the information that we got during the course of the week. One of the lawyers, according to the Supreme Court, they said, according to judges, said that they don't really think the guy passed through the process of law, especially when it comes to the civil procedure law. So henceforth, he should go and practice. He should go and complete some courses in Bropleh, and thereafter come back with a completion. So what this actually shows or simplify, it denigrates one's integrity, and also it reduces your morale. Well, we've been told that Councillor Bropleh is one of the best and veteran lawyers, but albeit the Supreme Court is the Supreme Court, they are the highest law making, they are the highest decision makers in the country. Whatsoever thing it says, definitely everybody go by it. And this one says, court ordered the leadership of the House of Representatives to pay District Number 10 lawmaker his June 2021 salary and benefits. So I normally Honorable Yekeh White Kolubah during the administration of the ex-president, where there was this series of court issues between him and the government, and all of the time whenever he goes to court, definitely he wins the government, right? So, and this one again, we've been told that his June salary was here, so the court has found out. So imagine from 2021, 2022, 23, 24, and we are there. So this simply means that everyone in the Republic, or anyone who stays in Liberia, definitely needs to respect the rule of law. It shows that the law is the law, and the highest making decision, no matter what, how many years or how many time it will take, definitely the law will prevail. So they just show a good precedent, I guess, in the despite at times the cases are slow to actually handle, but at the end you have some good outcomes. So we pray that the needful things be done. And this one says former Finance Minister Tweh and other pleaded not guilty after. They pleaded not guilty after indictment was read in court. The defendants are charged with economic sabotage and other alleged offenses, not guilty. So, of recent there have been the Hulu Balo regarding Honorable Samuel Tweh and others. There have been a lot of things been happening. So finally the court have come up with their own ruling, but they'll wait and see as to how the outcome will be like. And yesterday, the Impacto speaker, Fonati Kofa, Honorable Fonati Kofa wrote on his Facebook page saying that there are staffers, some staffers at the House of Representatives that having their receive their benefit in this Christmas month because they have been linked to him. And also, he expressed his, disenchantment with regards to how some of his colleague lawmakers have been actually treated by not receiving their December salary and other benefit. And everyone knows that December, he was saying that everyone knows that December is the month that you have family weight, you have a lot of things happening and so on. So why should you deprive someone else from what he or she's supposed to get? But then the majority blocking more with that, saying that they haven't deprived anyone. The 7 individuals were suspended, and henceforth the law is the law. And with regards to the staffers, the majority bloc say that the staffers are under the control of the majority bloc, so definitely they will be treated accordingly. But happy, this is like we're not waiting to see as to what happened. Christmas is right here, it's just Wednesday, and today is Monday. So Monday is the day that is really tense. Nobody wishes to actually, turn out on Monday, including myself, because imagine when Monday is coming, we are worried, we are this, we are that. But again, we want to say thank you for following this platform. You can like, share, and comment on our Facebook and YouTube page. I'm Princess Kedi Kobo. Thank you.